Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix bad Bluetooth headphone audio in Valorant, especially after patch 1.11. If your sound quality is terrible or just not working properly, follow along step by step and you'll fix it in minutes. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Sound Settings on your Windows PC. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Once you're there, scroll all the way down and click on More Sound Settings. A new window will pop up. From the top menu, click on the Recording tab. Now, look for the Bluetooth headphones you're currently using. Right-click on your headphones and select Properties. Inside that window, click Properties again, then go to Change Settings. Now, switch over to the Driver tab at the top. Before you continue, here's something really important to know. After doing this, you won't be able to use your headphone's microphone anymore. So if you rely on your headset mic, don't continue. But if you're using a separate microphone, keep following along. Now, click Disable Device. And that's it. By disabling the headphone mic, Windows stops switching your Bluetooth headphones into low-quality mode. This allows you to get clear, high-quality audio, and that's exactly what makes Bluetooth headphones work properly in Valorant. Just remember, if you need your headset mic, don't use this method. But if you want better sound quality and you already have another mic, this fix works perfectly. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy gaming fixes.